AI features embedded into our interactive flat panels. This is our Xtrows panel, Xtrows interactive flat panel display, which comes in 55 inch, 65 inch, 75 inch, 86 inch, 98 inch and 110 inch. So this is our AI learning software embedded into our panel. It comes in three parts. This part you can see over here, this is for the query of the student. Any kind of query, whatever the student is having, that can be solved with this search engine. Another part is teacher resource area. Day by day, the things is changing rapidly in very fast motion. And to get updated, we have to be update ourselves with according to the technological changes in the life. So for that, we have generated our teacher resource area where our teacher can make their notes with accordance to the technological changes. Third part is the question paper generated. This is the question paper generator. The days have gone when the teacher are sitting on a table and preparing a question paper for their student. Now we have made it very simpler and number of questions, infinite number of questions has been added into the system, and instantly it can generate different mode of questions along with their answer to give a surprise test to the student. And the last part, presently we have embedded our system with accordance with the NCERT syllabus, that is CBSE. If you want, or if any school or any coaching center wants to embed their own books with this AI software, we can help them to upload the books so that they can make all the notes, question generator with accordance to their syllabus and books. Now starting these features one by one to know more about it. The first part is the query being asked from the student. This is a new pop-up has been opened in the window. Now if a query of the student is what is quadratic equation? Quadratic it just understand the handwriting and try to generate the different parameters like the definition, live videos, live examples, images, which helps the student to know the things in the better manner. You can see over here, it has given the explanation in detail. So the student can understand the things in a better manner. Live, we can also give the explanation to the student, explaining the things. We can engage the student with the MCQ questions. Now our teacher has made their student understand the things, and now they can easily ask the question. Now a student can write their answers and eventually check their answers. Now with the help of the image, we help our student to understand the things in a good way. Real life examples are also embedded into it so that our student can understand the things in very easy and fun making manner. Now we are asking one more question: how to make a human robot. You can see here, to each and every level of the student, we have made the things so easy and fun learning, so that each and every student, each and every class of the student can understand the things in a fun learning manner and easily can grasp the things to know more about the things in a detailed way. Here you can see you are got the theory about how to make the robot. You can easily see with the help of the image and the theory, you can make your student to understand the things in a easy way. After explaining the things, you can ask the engaging question about that topic with your student, so that it will make the things in a fun way. Engaging video are over there to make your student understand the things in a easy way. Like that, images are also embedded into it, where you can explain the things to your student. This is part of the robot and how it will help them to understand the things. Real life example has also been uploaded to understand the things in easy way. Now coming over the second part of the AI, where our teacher can make the notes for their student with the updated contents. For example, the teacher can select the standard, suppose 12, subject mathematics, or should I check with physics, class physics 1 and physics 2, chapter atoms. Now you can see automatically the notes, lesson plan, and how much time the teacher should engage with their student to make them understand the particular topics has been mentioned. Class 12 physics, chapter 12. This lesson plan can be bifurcated in 4 periods of 45 minutes each, and in each period the teacher should cover the things in this way, so that our student can understand the things in a more simpler way. Study notes for the teacher, which helps them to make their notes. What are the key points that should be focused upon the student, so that the student can understand key terms. What are the key terms are there in this subject, in this particular chapter, can be made a note, which helps the teacher to make a note. Real life example. Now our teacher can make the notes with real type example, so that our student can understand and feel the things in more simpler way. Fun facts. It is always being told, where there is a fun, there is a chance of easy interaction with the things in a more simpler way. Class group activity. Our teacher can make the notes how to engage the student to understand the things in a simpler way. He can make an activity of a group of students of with these chapters. Now this is the summary. Our teacher can make the summary notes of it. Now all these parts, lesson plan, study notes, key points, key terms, real-time examples, fun fact, group activity, and summary help the teacher of school or coaching center to make their notes, which help the student to understand the things with fun learning activity. Now coming to the last part, that is question paper generator. After making the notes and given the explanation of the things to the student, now class teacher can make a set of question paper with the help of this board. Earlier teacher used to sit on a bench and makes a question paper, and it was taking a lot of time. Now we have made the things very simpler. As we can see, suppose we have taught for class 10 science chapter of physics, or suppose we are taking here an example of chemistry, chapter 1 2 we have covered, and we want to make a surprise test or unit test for these two chapters. Here the options are, we can make an objective question, subjective question, or mix of both of the two. And here we can make a question plan for 40 marks, 50 marks or 60 marks. And we can easily generate the question with the help of this AI board. The time, everything has been mentioned over here. If you want to change, we can download as a document, and we can make a necessary changes if we want. Otherwise, we can simply download as a PDF or take a printout and make a class test, where teacher can download the answers and check the papers. And from these two chapters we can make number of types of questions of the same marks. So the times of the teacher to make a question paper has been saved a lot, and the real time questions from that subject or chapter has been generated. In the last part, in each and every school they slight change in the books. To upload such kind of books, we can help over here to upload the e-books, and everything whatever we have asked, the questions, the question paper generator and the teacher notes will be prepared with the accordance to that book. This was the demo of our AI based application, that is Xtrows AI. Day by day we are also developing the things so that the things will be very much technologically developed, so that our student can understand in more practical way and more fun learning. Thank you.